Hi, welcome. Good to see you. Join me today as we take this ugly hot mess and we turn it into something more beautiful like this. Now, let's dive in. Welcome, SeaRoxx. Well, to repurpose this hot mess, we're going to start with some modeling paste and silica sand, and we're going to give it a little revamp. This is a 12 by 12 board, and it's already been primed. And to this, I'm going to add some styrofoam balls that I found at the Dollar Tree and mix those up with some modeling paste, or you can use some gel medium. Anyway, get those nice and wet so that they stick and not fall off. And then I'm just going to spread those on to enhance our design. Now, I gave this a good 24 hours to dry because there were so many layers of goop on my board. And once that was done, I was ready to start some painting. My ultimate goal for this piece is to create an abstract sort of underwater ocean or celestial look. It just kind of depends on your perspective. Either way, enjoy the painting process. I invite you to splash that like button, click the bell so you never miss a video. Well, the original design was to keep things light and airy, but as soon as I put down that dark blue, which is a Prussian blue, I knew it was all over from there because that is one of my very favorite colors, and I love the color combination together with the other blues and turquoises and golds. And so anyway, here we go. Oftentimes, I wish I had a third, or I guess it would be a second iPhone, that I could time lapse this so you could see the chemical reaction of the paint. It is so mesmerizing and cool to watch. Once the new hot mess was all dry, again, I waited a good 24 hours on this because there were so many layers of paint. I decided I wanted to tone things down a little bit in certain areas. And so what I did was just take white paint and put a little bit on there, then use my mop brush to swirl, 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 dab, 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 sweep here, sweep there, and just give kind of a foggy, dreamy look to it. And it will tone down those colors, and I felt like we'll just add some nice contrast to our piece. If you're enjoying today's video, I invite you to please subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a video. So raise your hand if you're ambidextrous. Or you might as well just raise both hands, right? My father was ambidextrous, and I never thought of myself as being part of that club. But the more I look at this video, I think I just might be a member now. Let me know in the comments if you think you're a member of the ambidextrous club as well. Well, this is how our abstract is turning out, and now it is time for some detail work. I'm going to go in with this really sad looking brush and add some white highlights, some dry brushing, and look at those cute little styrofoam balls. Now here is a helpful hint when you're working with these styrofoam balls, and if you take out a heat gun, you will melt them if you concentrate your heat or put too much heat on them. Just FYI. I'm going to add some splatters to that light area. To make sure you don't get it on the other part of your painting, just cover it up with some tissue paper or paper towel or whatever. And no project would be complete without using pouring medium and mica powder to add some more shimmer to our ocean. And yes, you are correct. I'm using a couple different colors. In addition to the gold I end up using a little later, it is in mica powder as well. Here are those gold highlights with our gold mica powder. And stick around because our reveal is next. Strategically hidden in those bubbles are some glass beads for added shine and sparkle. My favorite, of course. Hey, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed yourself and I inspired you perhaps to try something new. I invite you to join the SeaRoxx family. Like, share, subscribe with all your salty friends. That way you don't miss out on anything. And don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms and visit my website as well. Thanks for watching, and until next time, go beach or go home.